Hello and welcome. This is Abdul with my second video tutorial for this course. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through MM15's course page layout. So this is the course page. When we reached here by logging into moodleforteachers.org site, and here we can reach the course site by going to My Courses, Moodle Training, Moodle MOOC 15. Okay, and when you click this, you will be taken to this page. Here you find three sections. And on the left we can see a couple of blocks arranged by the course manager. The course managers can design the layout as they like by arranging the different blocks. This is the first block, the block of table of contents block, and then we can see the level block. Then you can see the people block, the participants who are currently using this site, and below that you can see also online users. Okay, the people block shows the participants for this course, and the online users block shows the people who are currently using this block. And below also there are other blocks as well. So all these blocks are arranged. You can click the hide button, and when you click it, that the contents of the block will be hidden. So this is one provision. If you want to look, if you don't want to show all the items on your page, you can do that. The next thing is you can also dock it. If you click the dock button, let us go back and let us show the contents. And if you want to click the dock button, the contents that block will be docked onto the left, so you don't have to see it here. So this is another provision. You can also bring it back. You can click undock, and when you click undock, it will come back to its former position. Okay, this is the way how blocks are organized. You can see the level you have achieved. You can also see the details of points you get when you click these things. You can get, these are the points you get, you are eligible to get when you do these things. And you click the people link, you can see the participants for this course, online users, all these things. And if you click ladder, you can find the position of participants in respect of their points. So you can also see these things. So right now Anna is on the top. Below that we have Taragi Ali Sadi, and my position is below that. Okay, so these are the things that you can see when you do these things. Let us go back again to Moodle MOOC My Courses, MM15, My Courses dashboard. Okay, if you go back, when you go back to the dashboard, you will see the other blocks too. So we have already discussed the blocks we find on the left. Let's see what happens on the right, on the blocks you find on the right. We can click Moodle Training again, Moodle Training, Moodle MOOC 50. Good. Now we are again on the course page, about to reach the course page again. The network is a bit slow today, so that it takes time. Okay, now on the right also you find blocks like announcements block, upcoming events block, completion block, activities block, badges block, comments block. So all the blocks are organized, arranged by the course manager. So in order to manage to get access to different sections of the course. Okay, now let us look at the main page, main section of this is the course area, the main area in the middle. So if you look at this, you can find all the details of the course. Overview of the course is here, first one. So these pages are arranged, and if you click individual icons in individual links, you will be taken to that particular section. So you can click week 1 introduction. If you click week 1 introduction, you will be taken to the week 1 introduction. And if you click week 1 video tutorial, so you'll be taken to that section. So under this section, week 1 video tutorial and activities, you can find different sections. So here Nelly Dosh help video is given here. Below that you can see other support sections, and if you click this you can see the support sections, videos uploaded by the course administrator and participants to help others. My profile, this is another activity we have to do, my profile. And if you click it, you can see the activity, the videos uploaded by participants for this course. And these are the help supporting details for this assignment. And the next one is the layout of Moodle MOOC 15, right, the one we are doing right now. And the next one is the other one, last one is the rich editor on Moodle. I'll have to do it after completing this task. So these are all blocks arranged on this page, and on the right you can see a small square, and if you complete your activity this square will be ticked. So we have to see whether we have completed the block, and if you have completed the activity, this section will be marked with a small tick mark. Okay, these are all about the blocks and the layout for MM15. Thank you for watching. Hope you will come out with your comments on this presentation. Thank you. Bye bye.